Namaste, Khushro Bitiya. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program BA Journalism 5th Sem, Course Research Methodology, Session Non-Rating Research. Today I will discuss about non-rating research. What is non-rating research in electronic media? Non-rating research provides information about is liked and not liked by the audience, analyze various types of programming. As well as demographic and lifestyle into info audience and much more. All information is intended to equip decision maker in the media industry with information which can remove approach about research. Non-rating cannot solve all the problems faced by the broadcaster but can use to support decision making. Testing program. One way of non-rating research is testing program. Research today has become an accepted part in the development and production program and commercial advertising. It has become common practice to test this at every stage of production follows. Due to the large and commercial program are usually very expensive, then the producer and director wish to collect the initial reaction to the planned project. It is ridiculous to spend a lot of money for the project. They will only attract a small audience. When they the gather data is to make short statement to summarize the explanation of a particular program commercial advertisements and show it is the subject is asked for his opinion about the idea that program as well as whether they are interested in watching it to want to buy a product based on the information brief. The result could be an indication whether the program or commercial that will be successful or not. If the label of ideas are accepted, the considered the good, they invent a model of simulation media. Hardware is often referred to a rough cuts, storyboards, photomatics, animatic, or rough cut is the production of a very simple, usually using amateur actor, mature actors, amateur actors with little or no editing at all. That the makeshift set. Another model is a photograph, picture, or scene that is designed to provide a basic ideas of the program or commercial is for anyone who wants to see it. Rough cut was tested with production costs that are not expensive. This test given information about the script, characteristics, character relationship, setting, cinematic approach, and overall appeal. This stage is generally not immediately able to tell what's so wrong. If it turned out the attraction is less, but most cannot give any indication of something is wrong. The following stage when the final product is finished. Post-production research. Post-production research can be done. The finished product is test in the mini theater or the shopping center, at the residence of the subject, or by phone. In terms of radio advertising, the research, for example, could conclude that the ending of a program cannot be accept audience and must be re-edited on reshooting. Many of the problems that had not seen during the production process may be known as a post-production research. These data provide data in the initial reaction of the audience of producer to complete the finished or complete some product. तो मे बी आपको सेशन समझ में आया हो. इस सेशन में टोटल 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं, एक ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड 1 सब्जेक्टिव. इसमें अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ समझ में ना आया हो, तो हम लाइव क्लास लेंगे बच्चों, उसमें आप इजीली समझ सकते हैं. और इसके अलावा आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप लाइव क्लासेस में इजीली समझ सकते हैं. थैंक यू बच्चों.